Thank you for joining us for another episode of Edmonton Real Estate Today, where we help you care for your home and maximize the return on your investment. Joining me today is Kate Watt, Branch Manager of Assessment and Taxation, City of Edmonton. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Lee. Thanks for having me.
When are Edmontonians expected to receive their property assessments this year?
More than 400,000 property assessment notices are going to be put in the mail on February the 12th. So homeowners should expect to receive those shortly thereafter. We do ask, though, that anybody who has not received, because sometimes there can be challenges and difficulties in the mailing process, to please call us at 311 so that we can track down what happened to your assessment notice.
Why the change this year for the usual timeline?
Normally we issue our assessment notices sort of in the first days of the new year, sort of January 2nd, January 3rd. But because of the recent health measures and their impact, particularly on the economy and the real estate market, we wanted to do everything we could to make sure that we had enough information and the most current information and the best information so that any effects on value were reflected in our assessments. So as a consequence, we sent out an additional round of requests for information, looking for information from property owners, particularly non-residential property owners related to our current economic environment. And we gave our assessors additional time to analyze these responses, to analyze market data as a whole, and to evaluate and come up with their absolute best assessments for a fairly volatile year, which I'm sure you and your viewers will know.
Because things were sent out a little bit later, is there a delay in the taxation cycle in terms of deadlines for paying the taxes?
Right, no. The taxation notices will be mailed at the same time in May. So essentially what happens is that council approves the tax rate in April, and shortly thereafter we print out tax notices and issue them. So there won't be any change. You can expect your tax notice to arrive in your mailbox sometime in May, and your payment deadline will be the scheduled deadline of June the 30th.